Hello students! Big news. There are 3 sides to the health triangle. 3 sides. They're in no particular order. It doesn't matter which one you say first, which one you think about first, but just like a triangle, all sides of your health are interconnected. All right? So if something goes wrong with one side of the triangle, it affects the other 2 sides. And there's even more to your health than an actual triangle. Wink, wink. Tell you more later. So, first side that I'm going to tell you, again, not the most important side, but a side of the health triangle is the physical side. And physical health has to do with the condition of your body. Now, I like to say it really dramatically, like body, and start at my head and gesture all the way down to my toes, because physical health is the condition of all of my body. So say it and do it with me. Physical health is the condition of your body. All right? Physical health, the condition of your body. I cut my finger the other day on a pan, washing a pan. There it is. I can't even find it anymore. Cut my finger, and my physical health was affected for a couple of days because it kept hurting. I kept catching it. The dog would lick it, rip it open again. Ouch. So that is a very small example of physical health. The condition of my body was affected by doing dishes and getting cut on the edge of a pan. Never happened to me before. Okay, another side of the health triangle is called mental and emotional. You can say mental health, you can say emotional health. Often people put them together and say mental and emotional health. Doesn't matter how you say it. What matters is that you remember that mental health is the condition of your thoughts and feelings. And the reason why I like to touch my head, thoughts and feelings, is because those things come from right in your brain. So every thought that you have comes from your brain, and every feeling that you have comes from your brain. Now, I'm not talking about feelings of pain, like cutting your finger, okay? I'm talking about, for example, feel a little bit guilty because I told somebody something today that I probably shouldn't have said, and it hurt their feelings. So I'm feeling guilty. I'm feeling sad because I hurt someone's feelings. Mental health is the condition of your thoughts and feelings. Physical health is the condition of your body. And the third side of the health triangle is social health. All right. Social health involves your interactions with, key phrase, other people. And the reason why I go back and forth with my hands like this when I say other people is because usually social health is an interaction. It doesn't have to be talking. It could be the way that you look at someone, or it could be whether you say something or not when you pass a stranger on the street, what you choose to say to someone that you've just met or that you hardly know, or what are the interactions that you have with the people that you see every day, your friends and family. Those things are all indicators of your social health, your interactions with other people. So, in review, physical health is the condition of your body. Mental health is the condition of your thoughts and feelings. Social health is your interactions with other people. All right. There's one other aspect of your health that we don't talk about in this class. We don't talk about it a lot at all in schools. It is your spiritual health. So what you believe about your values and what is true about the world, and things that you might believe from a religious standpoint, those are all part of your spiritual health and well-being, and those are not things that we're going to touch on in this class. But I want you to know that the concept of spiritual health is almost like an umbrella over your physical, social, and mental health triangle. All right, students, thank you for listening.